At First Stop Health, we make healthcare easier to use. We connect primary care, mental health, and urgent care into one simple virtual experience, helping employees get the right care while reducing unnecessary costs. Let's dive into some real impact. This manufacturing client has over 3,000 employees, with more than 2,000 enrolled in their health plan. They were already seeing strong engagement in virtual urgent care, but they wanted to expand that success into primary care and mental health to better manage chronic conditions and behavioral health concerns. So instead of adding more point solutions, they partnered with First Stop Health to build on what was already working. Together, we transformed their program into something more connected. In primary care, we were able to give employees support for ongoing conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol, not just treating issues as they come up, but helping manage them over time. In urgent care, still there 24/7 for their everyday needs to help with things like cold, skin issues, and minor illnesses. And also mental health support with quick access to care for things like anxiety and depression when people need it the most. And because it's all connected, employees aren't left guessing where to go. They're guided to the right care early before issues become more serious and snowball. And the impact was clear. This client generated over $1.1 million in healthcare savings with a 3.4 times return on investment. Quality improved too. 77% of patients saw improved blood pressure levels. And from an experience standpoint, employees rated care 4.8 out of 5, with primary care visits scheduled in about 1 week. And that was based on patient preference. Better health outcomes, higher satisfaction, and measurable ROI. That is the impact of connected care through First Stop Health.